this mess. Look at this mess. Look at this mess I'm in. Look at this mess. Yeah. That's where they at. They on the road. Happy day, happy day, happy day. So I don't know when y'all seeing this video. Thursday, Friday. I don't know when y'all gonna see this video. But this is gonna be part of my Vlogmas day. I think it'll be maybe, I'm gonna say 13. It's terrible out here. It's a freaking like blizzard. Do y'all look? It's crazy. Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. But anyway, I just wanted to stop by and say hello, chit chat. I'm on my way home, and I know once I get home, I'm not doing nothing. I just want to chill, relax, and enjoy my evening. So guys, what are y'all doing today? Are y'all out in these streets? It's about, where are they going at? It's 3:51. People don't even realize the streets are bad and they blow as soon as the light turns. You gotta like see if everything's clear for us to go. You just can't just take off like that. Where y'all get y'all driver's license from? Huh? But anyway, y'all, you guys, I'm gonna throw in a clip of maybe a couple other days. Look at this. Look what I gotta go through. Oh my God. Look at this. Y'all, oh, look. Let me go. I'm gonna throw in a video of, I don't know, maybe a couple of days ago. I'm gonna throw in another evening. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. We home now. So I wanted to turn the camera back on, guys, because a lot of times I don't show y'all. I just post like what I'm gonna eat. But I just got through sauteing me some vegetables. So I'm having guac. This came from Aldi's. I think y'all remember me having this or getting this. This is the chunky one. I use Thousand Island dressing on my salad. So I got, these are filled crust sausages. This ain't real meat, y'all. I got the guacamole. I just got cucumbers. The, what is these? These are bell peppers, sauteed mushrooms, some purple onion. And that's it in my Thousand Island. Oh, and I need to put some, I like it spicy because y'all seen what we was dealing with. It's cold. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna watch me a good Christmas movie, y'all. So this is the filled crust. These are the smoked apple and sage. This ain't the food channel, but I'm just showing y'all. This is what it is. I think I got them on sale somewhere, but probably didn't put it in like a grocery haul because I probably didn't get a whole lot of stuff. Typically when I do that, if I don't get a lot of stuff, I won't vlog it. I'll just show y'all through the videos. But guys, yeah, this is my dinner. I gotta clean up. I need to put this outside for the trash. But Linda, I'm gonna watch me a good Christmas movie this evening too. So I made it. It's 6:30 and I'm happy. I'm happy. She happy. So Linda, I watched that movie. Tammy, I had watched that movie before, y'all. That movie is crazy. It literally makes you think of how bad somebody's day could be. So a lot of times we be complaining about stuff, how bad our day might be. Just imagine somebody literally going through that type of stuff every day, like day after day. It's something. That was funny. That was funny. And what's her name? McCarthy. Is that her name? McCarthy? She's hilarious. She's hilarious. But y'all, I'm about to dig into my food. Like I said, I'm gonna watch me a good Christmas movie. I just wanted to touch bases again to show y'all what I was getting ready to have for dinner. And I will see y'all probably in another vlog, okay? Bear with me. Watch some of the Vlogmas that I already have out. And like I said in this video, the next part is from another day y'all gonna see, okay? So I'll check y'all out the next time we vlog. All right, bye y'all. Y'all, I tore that food up. I tore that food up. I did. I ain't watched no movie. Y'all, let me show y'all the snow. Look over here. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? Look by the light. See all that snow coming down? You see it? It's a blizzard. And I think it ain't gonna stop for a while, but y'all, I am gonna watch a Christmas movie. But I came in here, ate my food, and started look at this. Y'all go watch my videos. Let me watch this. Hold on. Go check out. I did not know y'all was paused, but if you're new here and you're just stopping by, go check out some of my old videos. I'm about to get warm, and I'm really gonna watch a Christmas movie now. So, yeah.
Now this right here, this is my spice mung. Eat it. Don't talk back to your daddy.
There you go. Okay.
Are you okay? Not his daddy. Amen.
Welcome to Vlogmas After Dark. Y'all see the time? Can y'all see the time right here? This is what time it is, okay? I'm tired. This is Vlogmas After Dark because I'm sleepy. I don't know what's gonna be in this vlog, but I just wanted to show y'all. Y'all think simply natural black life house is always together? No, it ain't. Okay? I've been working behind the scenes. Ain't that pretty back there? Y'all, I'm so sleepy. And guess what? I don't know. How am I put this? The vlog that y'all are seeing right now, I really don't remember what day it is, but I'm just gonna number it 13 probably. Is this 13 or 11? I don't know. But this is what y'all gonna get. Behind the scenes of a late day. I'm real tired. And all I want to do right now is drink me some water, get my life together. Okay? How y'all doing today though? I didn't even ask y'all. Well, how y'all doing tonight? It's almost the next day in some hours. I'm trying to go to bed early at all. Like I'm trying to go to bed early. But anyway, I worked on my dresser. I posted the dresser. Oh, and let me show y'all. Hold on. Not hold on, but let me just walk over there. And then I could show y'all what I was talking about that thing for my face. I think this is called, y'all know what I'm talking about. This is the thing that you do. And I'm going to do this tonight, so put that on my bed. But look at my room, y'all. I don't have much. I told y'all. Look at that. These is my sweats. This little stuff right here is my sweats. These bags is empty. Is this empty? Oh yeah, that got something in it. But this stuff right here, empty. These are just all my hats. All this stuff can go to bed. I mean, under the bed. What are these? I think these I don't know, what are these two, y'all? What is this to? Oh, this is to the closet doors. Yeah. This is these go on there. Whatever. I ain't worried about that. But anyway, y'all, I got stuff everywhere. So this is what my life is looking like right now. But I did get a chance to post her. She nice and clean. Now, I do have to put this stuff back in there, but I wanted to post it. and get it out the way. So before I go to bed, I'm gonna put this stuff back up. Let me show y'all my baby over here. She doing good too. Look at her. Ain't she pretty, y'all? Let me know right now in the comments how beautiful she is. Look at this. She's growing. In spite of how cold it is, she has the ability to grow. Look at that. She's so pretty. These are new. Like when you see this, that's a new one. And like I showed y'all, there's some new ones. Yeah. Anyway, my house is dirty. I wanted to tell y'all something too. Oh, let me just show y'all real quick. The house be dirty. Behind the scenes, there be mess on the floor that has to go outside when I leave, okay? In the morning. So that's there. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. There the mess right here. The mess got to go in the trash. Real talk. Y'all, I know y'all see it. Smashed pillows. Oh, what's working? There's this stuff everywhere. Trash. You got crumbs all over. I don't know if y'all be able to see that. There are crumbs all over the floor. Y'all, tell me y'all don't see that. Y'all see them crumbs all over the floor. Y'all see crumbs. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. She ain't always got it together. Look at this. This gotta be, I actually gotta throw this stuff outside. That's for animals. I got a sink full of dishes. I'm not washing them though, because I don't feel like it. But I'll see y'all. Hold on. Let's go back in the room because I got a story to share. I got a story to share with y'all. Hold on. All right. This is the DoorDash story. This is the real story. I'm sleepy, but this is a real story. It's not funny. Maybe somebody gonna learn from this story. Did y'all hear about the story where the lady delivered these people's food and she sprayed their food with mace? So when the lady, I guess the man went and got the order, he picked it up off the porch or whatever. But when the wife started eating it, she started to gag and stuff. It showed a lady delivering their food, taking a picture of it. You know, you got to snap the picture. I never did DoorDash. I'm not going to say I never will, but I never did that. And to be honest with y'all, I'm trying to remember if I ever did. If I did DoorDash, it probably was only one time. That's why I cook at home and do what I'm supposed to do on my end. Stop being lazy, cook your own food. Because y'all with these late night cravings and stuff like that, because I think it was late. It could have been like early evening that they got the food. I don't know. I shouldn't say that. But you don't know who's tampering with your food. Like, that's crazy. That is so crazy for someone to... Who does that? And I think her tip was like $2. Okay, if that wasn't the tip that you wanted, couldn't you refuse the meal? Couldn't you refuse to do the delivery? If you're concerned about the tip, I know sometimes once you accept somebody's order, you have to deliver it. But if you didn't want that, or maybe she felt humiliated from the $2 tip. I don't know, because I think that people's order was like $30. So I don't know. I just would have never did it. But guys, if you're door dashing all the time, y'all better be careful about them deliveries who delivering your food. But guess what, y'all? I'm about to try to upload another video, schedule it or something. I need to put all this stuff back, okay? And I need to brush my teeth. And I need to get ready to go to bed. I'm not worried about no dishes. I will see y'all in the next part of this vlog.